Hi everyone, it's Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with week number 1 for January 2022. We are going to do the 3rd through the 9th. So, let me get my other planner stickers out. And we're going to get started here. I have some from Dollar Tree and some that came with the planner. These came with the planner, and these, as you can see, they're crafted square, but I like them. So I'm going to take them all out of their packages. I'm going to get rid of those. And they come with 2 sheets of each. So we'll see what we can use. They're very thick stickers, so from Crafted Square, which is good. So we're going to do these. Which open from the side instead of from the bottom. So I'm going to take these out. And the sheets are all, the 2 sheets that come together are different. So I like to open both packs just in case. I use something from one and then I need it for, something else. We shall see. So this is the plan with me for January 3rd through the 9th. Okay. So, okay, we're going to get started here. Now, I'm looking for boxes. I may use the flags, but none of these have the quarter boxes or half boxes or full boxes. So, we're going to get some other ones that I have, which are these. And this is for another planner that I'm going to be doing a video on after this one. So, now, let me look and see what I have here. And apparently, these don't have them either. We got the tabs, but that's not going to work for me. So, let's see what's here. Don't need that. Let me see here. I have some planners from this year that I'm going to change up to next year. So, you might be seeing a lot of... I'm going to use these flags here for my boxes because I don't use them on every day. I only use them on the days that I have appointments. So, I have an appointment on the 10th, which is not listed on this one. So, we're not going to use them on this one. Or just in case an appointment pops up, I will put one on Monday. And I need my tweezers because my big fingers won't let me set them the way I want. So we're going to use these tweezers here. Let me get a sip of water. And then we're going to put one on a Wednesday. There. Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. We're going to do one. There. And then we're going to do Sunday. Yeah. No. These are appointments only. So we're going to put that one back. And we're going to take some flags and put up there. I don't want that one. So usually on Mondays, I do coffee. So we're going to take this small coffee cup, put that on Monday. I usually go purchase my coffee on Mondays, so there's no birthdays. To-dos, I'm gonna wait on that. We're gonna pencil this in on the days I have appointments right on the top, like so. Okay. And put one there. And maybe on Sundays, just in case, we can put a pencil this in. I'm going to put that right over here. Okay. Now, let me see. I got my priorities, but I want to change that to, oh. Yeah, I would love to play a bigger role in Dominic's life. Of course I would. I just don't think that I need to do anything about it right now. We're going to see what we can put over here. Well, we can put the three main to-dos. So, we're going to put to-do right over the priorities. Right up there. So, inserting myself into their lives legally or anything like that is going to help them heal from everything they've been through. I'm going to take this flag up here that says, live boldly, and put it right up here. There. I usually do shopping on the 3rd, so we're gonna do, no, the 7th, I usually do food shopping, so we're gonna put this over here. And I'm gonna go back one page because I need the first. I already got that. This is my layout for last week. So let's see what else. And Thursdays I usually do takeout. So I'm going to put a little slice of pizza right up here. But I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. It's just a possibility. And we don't have no busy days. I'm gonna put this. I want to put the little snow washies on. So I'm gonna take this, put it right in the middle here, and the snowman right on this side. There. And we're going to have snow. Don't know when, so I'm going to put the wintry right here. Winter Wonderland, which usually happens here. We're going to see what else we can use those for. And I'm going to put Happy New Year above over here. So we're going to see what we can did it here. Okay, one of my to-dos is to make my shopping list. So I'm going to put that over here. Then meal planning. We're going to put our goals up there also. I'm going to put a little rest arrow down for Tuesday. And I'm going to put a steps count here on every day. I'm going to put one down here. Right here. There. One more. Oh no, two more. Okay, we got all our steps in. I'm going to put this one over here. Down here it says you got this. And then one that says stay positive. I'm going to put it right down the corner here. Then my water intake, I will put those on here also. There's only 2. Oh, there's 4. Okay. I'm going to put it on certain days because there's only 4 of them.
You know, I missed a lot of time with Connor, and it hurt. When I came back, I mistakenly focused on all the things I wasn't there for.
So I'm going to put one right over here. Okie dokie. We got those didded. These are for the following month, so we're not going to deal with that. And I think we are done it. So I'm going to say thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next Plan With Me video. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. I'll put these back here. And also, whoops, do not forget to leave a comment down below. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.